Let us introduce Chargist, the world's most advanced universal travel adapter that also charges your mobile devices without any additional chargers. It works in the USA, UK, Europe, Australia, and over 150 other countries.
The idea was born out of the everyday struggle of people on the go.
Every time I go on holiday, I want to focus on what to wear, but I also have to carry around a lot of devices that I don't want to think about, but I can't live without.
Or when I am on an important business trip abroad and I want less luggage, but I need my smart gadgets.
All these devices require many chargers that take up half of my space.
And don't forget the countless number of adapters around the world.
Yeah, I always get those confused.
And there are never enough outlets in hotel rooms to charge all my devices at once.
That never happens anymore because we have Chargist.
Chargist conforms to plug standards in the USA, UK, Europe, Australia, and 150 countries around the world.
You can plug the device in any outlet worldwide, with all the plugs conveniently stored inside. Chargist saves you space and the trouble of forgetting or losing your chargers.
The height of the pins is adjustable to fit any mobile case or protector. Now, you can charge your smartphones and tablets at the same time, using the two integrated pins without carrying any additional chargers. Chargist supports micro USB, Lightning, and USB-C standards, covering the whole range of mobile devices and smart gadgets.
Great, now we can charge my iPhone and your Samsung at the same time. It also works with other devices, sharing the same charging standards.
Chargist also has 3 additional USB ports to make it the most convenient universal travel adapter, and you still have the outlet ready to use.
In addition, we created the Chargist Bank.
It's a power bank that charges my phone up to 3 times and has a USB port for any other device.
Are you worn out from all the hustle and bustle of everyday life? Sometimes all you want is just to have a rest. But it seems like you can't escape from all the noise surrounding you. How can we get some silence into our busy lives? Introducing Muso, a revolutionary anti-vibration acoustic device. Muso is the first device that applies anti-vibration technology for smooth surfaces. The dedicated neo-magnetic system is the soul of Muso. Powered by Billion Sound technology, Muso can generate dynamic, realistic sounds while canceling vibration. These vivid sounds set the scene and drown out intrusive noises. We designed Muso to be streamlined and balanced. It allows Muso to generate an even vibration towards the attached surface. With the TPE material, Muso can be stuck and repositioned onto any surface. You can turn every area into your own personal place. Give Muso a gentle touch and you will be able to feel the magic. A magic you never would have imagined coming out of a sound device. Just control Muso with your smartphone, switch on the Serenity mode, and enjoy some relaxing time. Have there been times you were worried people around you could hear what you were saying? By switching to the secret mode, Muso can help you to protect your speech privacy. Even when out in public, you can enjoy a great conversation without worrying about people eavesdropping. Even in a busy city, Muso takes you on a journey far from the hardships of everyday life. Switch to sleep mode and set your personal sound field. Muso will then minimize the disturbance and start to decorate your bedroom according to your preference. You can now truly enjoy a sweet night under your ideal environment. Escape from the world and set your mood. Muso creates your own personal zone of silence.